Hey everyone. Today we're going to talk about something that directly affects businesses, how they make money, reduce cost, and stay competitive. Location and layout strategies. Every company that makes or ships products has to decide where to put their factories, warehouses, and distribution centers. These decisions can either save them millions of dollars or cost them big time. And once they pick a location, they have to design it in a way that makes operations as efficient as possible. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to analyze and evaluate how companies use location and layout strategies to reduce production and distribution costs and improve supply chain efficiency. The first key decision is location selection. Companies don't just pick a random spot, they look at factors like labor costs, transportation networks, and access to raw materials. For example, an auto manufacturer might build a factory near steel suppliers to lower shipping costs, while an e-commerce company like Amazon places fulfillment centers close to major cities to speed up deliveries. If they choose the wrong location, they could end up facing higher operating costs, delayed shipments, and even struggle to find enough skilled workers. The second big factor is facility layout. Once a company picks the right location, they need to design their space efficiently. A poorly designed factory might have workers walking long distances between workstations, wasting time and slowing down production. On the other hand, a warehouse with an optimized layout, like Amazon's high-tech fulfillment centers, can store more products, reduce picking times, and get orders out faster. Companies use different layout strategies depending on their goals. Product layouts are designed for mass production, like an assembly line in a car factory, where every step is optimized for speed. Process layouts are common in hospitals and job shops where workstations are grouped by function instead of a fixed path. And fixed position layouts are used for massive projects like airplane manufacturing, where the product stays in one place while workers and materials move around it. Efficient location and layout strategies don't just cut costs, they improve the entire supply chain. When factories are closer to suppliers, businesses spend less on raw materials and transportation. When distribution centers are placed near major highways or airports, companies can deliver products to customers faster. And when layouts inside these facilities are designed well, businesses save time, reduce waste, and boost productivity. If a company gets these decisions wrong, they could face high costs, shipping delays, or operational efficiencies that just plain slow them down. So, what can you take away from this? First, every business must think strategically about where they place their facilities. Second, layout design is just as important as location because poor layouts waste time and money. And finally, companies that optimize both location and layout will have a massive competitive advantage by reducing costs and improving supply chain efficiency. Think about the next time you order something. Where do you think it was stored? How was it packed? How did it get to your door so quickly? Every step in that process was carefully designed to be as efficient as possible. That's the power of location and layout strategy in action.